We are here back again in our series. The last video we created, we showed you how to get a working PayPal account, for receiving your funds from uh outside the country, outside Nigeria. You understand? And then how it is going to work for you. So today's video will be on the second account, or second account that you can use to get or to receive your money, from Upwork, Fiverr, and all other remote jobs that pays from uh, outside country. And then you must need a working outside country account, for it to work for you. So this is the account that we will be using. So the first video we created, or the first account, was a PayPal account. If you missed that, of course, this is YouTube, you can still go back, to recheck it and then to rewatch it. Now today we will be diving into the second account. Now the second account will be a Payoneer account. You understand? A Payoneer accounts, they are actually quite easy to create to some extent. They are quite easy to create, but then they have some little restrictions. You understand? So we will be diving into this on how to overcome these little restrictions. So without further ado, let's dive into it. But before then, please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, because I know you would love this video and you'll be helping us grow. So let's dive into it. So the second one is a Payoneer account. Now, how to create a Payoneer account is very easy. Forget this sign up and earn $25. This is not true. Like, it's not like it's not true, but then it has a limitation. Now, if you scroll down, where is that point? Yeah, look at it. Once you receive $1,000 in payments now to your account, that is what I'm talking about. Why I said it is not really true that you sign up and you get it. Then you will receive a $25 reward. Now this $25 reward is not even after you receive this one. Now it is subjected to Payoneer refer a friend program. That means you must have referred a friend, and then you must have received $1,000 before you can get this extra $25. This will not the dash money anyhow. You get? So payment received in CNY will be credited, and yes, so that is it. But this is not what we are here for. We are here on how to create a Payoneer account. So you come for sign up. Once you click your sign up, let's see, sign up, individual account. Yep, we are going for an individual account. Once you go for an individual account, then you put in your details. You understand? Your email address. I have a working Payoneer account, but let's see how we can maneuver this, if they will be able to allow me create another one. Look at it, I have my Payoneer account already, my working Payoneer account for details. But let me look for another email that I can use. Okay, let's see if this will work. Okay, date of birth. So you input your date of birth. Yep, and then you click next. After you click next, it will take you to this point. Yes, I would leave all these details correctly like this. Okay, no, let me correct this one. It's not 11, it's not 12, it's 11. 11. This phone number, I can't be using the same phone number because I've used that other one to create before. So we would use a different phone number. So for the sake of this video, you can use I won't be using a random. Okay, I'll be using a random phone number. Okay, no, they would have to verify it. So you have to use one of your phone number that you need or that you have. You get that you can receive an instant. Now, I noticed Airtel, they're having issues. I don't know why. I don't know for my locality actually. So you can choose the one that gives you instant alert, like message. So let me check for this one and see. So 9159373. Okay, send verification code. Your code 0613 061318, and then you click next. Zero six one three one eight. But my skepticism about this is that I've used this phone number before, to create my main account. So I am really what do you call it, a little bit scared if they would approve this right now. You understand? Okay, well, they did. Affiliate marketing, so you input your password. We enter the password. Security question. Last name of your what is your paternal grandmother's maiden name? Just you would have to choose the one you know very well, and then you would remember. You understand? So Nigerian ID. So I doubt this particular account would work for me because I have just one ID and then I've used it here. But then let's see if it will still work for me. So I used my NIN, but probably you can use your voter's card, just an ID. But I prefer to use my NIN because that is a little bit faster. You understand? Okay. Now this account is just for only this purpose because I won't be using the account. So some of the details you would see here will not be accurate. You understand? I'm only doing it to just show you how you can get yours running. So when you're imputing yours, make sure you are very, very thorough about your details because these details are things that would help you work well for this account. So click here for a bank account registration guide. No, bank name. Okay, let me choose bank I would use. Let me use my GT, Guaranteed Trust Bank. Okay, GT, nope. Stanbic, is it Stanbic here? Okay. Okay, Stanbic Bank, and then let me see my Stanbic. So you impute your account details, you understand? I agree. And then you submit. So your application is completed and then your request is in review. This request in review doesn't really take a long time. It probably 30 minutes or so. You would get a notification in your inbox that your account has been approved. So this is how to create a working Payoneer account from Nigeria and then use it to receive funds to your account. This is very easy, and this is the best way to create it. Please and please, if you gain value from this video, do like, subscribe, click the bell notification icon, because we still have 4 more to go in this series. And then in this 4 more to go series, I will be going thoroughly for the best one that I've picked. You understand? So I don't know if you know the best one I've picked, but if you don't know, the best one I've picked is in the first video, my introductory video that I made. So please and please, thank you for sticking up with me. And then till then, we'll see you in the next video. Do have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you.